welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a snow globe. Let's get started.
Well, I'm very excited. We're gonna do our snow globes today, and we have characters in our snow globes. Aiden has Mickey Mouse. Say hi, Mickey Mouse. Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hi.
Yeah,
How?
Mickey Mouse.
Good job.
Now, Landon, which character do you have in yours?
Marshall.
Marshall.
Very cool.
Mama.
So Landon, so if we're making a snow globe, what's inside of a snow globe?
Mama. Mama. Glitter and characters.
And what makes the glitter fly around and everything? What is it in?
So we put water inside our snow globe, and we put what? Glitter. Whoop! I just spilled some a little bit. Sparkly glitter. So when we shake it up, it's gonna swirl all around, and it's gonna look like snow.
I can't open mine.
Take off the lid. So the first thing we're gonna do is show you what mine's would look like. Mine's is a little fairy, a Barbie fairy. Mama likes fairies, so we're gonna glue the toy to the lid. Have an adult to help you because we're gonna use hot glue, and that can burn you. So you wanna make sure you're really careful and have an adult help you. So Mama already did Marshall for Landon, and she also did the Mickey Mouse for Aiden. Now if you see this, mine's is a little tall, so I didn't have to put it on top of it. We wanna make sure we see it in here. But these ones are a little more tiny, so we used something to stick it on so it can be nice and high for us to see in our globe. All right, let's get started.
Alright, so we have our jar and Marshall glued to this. And we're going to put some water in here and glitter. And we're going to put Marshall inside of here. And then we need to twist it. And then we need to shake it.
Yeah.
And then it will be snow falling.
Woohoo! Are we ready to do our snow globes? We're gonna get water. Let's try Landon's first. Can you help me take the jar off?
Off of the lid?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, it's time to fill up our jars.
Lower.
Oh, don't drop it. You gotta be very careful, okay? You're gonna add some glitter. It's glitter time. When you look at this bottle of glitter, there's little holes here. And then there's a big opening if you want a lot of glitter to come out.
Let me see, Mama.
See? And then you turn it and make it to where not so much glitter comes out, just a little bit.
Mama,
Okay.
I want to do a little bit.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Let me show you on mine. Look at this glitter.
Mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh, hold on.
I want to do mine. I
Wow,
want to close it,
good
Mama.
job.
Mama, I want to close
Do
it.
you want some more in there?
No.
What about
I
blue?
want to close
There's
it.
blue glitter.
No, I don't want blue.
No blue?
I want to
Okay.
put it in.
I think we need a little more glitter. Yeah, let's add a little more glitter, Landon. I'll help you this time.
Look it.
Oh! Wait, don't touch it. No, stop. You're spilling it. Don't touch yet.
What's coming down?
Here we go.
Look at it coming down.
All right, let's see if that's enough. Go ahead and put your toy in.
Look, it's it.
Look it. Is that right? Did we do it right? Snow globe.
I'm trying to close mine.
Let's see. There's a little. When I glued it, it's gonna be a little tight. Well, you know what? We need a little less water. Twist the lids on, nice and tightly, so the water will spill out. like that.
didn't do mine. Can you help me, please?
Sure. 1 second.
Mama,
Yeah.
water.
Yeah, water.
Aiden did his.
It's not on the right way.
Right. 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 I need to put it on straight so that it doesn't be loose.
That's right. I think I got it right.
I think I
There we
got
go.
it right too. There we go.
Maybe not. Uh-oh.
No, I didn't.
Let's see. I'm gonna spill some of this water out. You didn't leave it?
No more. I want to shake it. Mama, can I shake it? I want to shake it. Bar.
Whoa.
Look at mine. I did it. Mine.
Look at yours and yours. And look at mine.
Mine.
So, I think...
Why? You can't see him.
Oh my
Look,
goodness.
ours is done.
It's so much sparkly snow. I think we need to seal it though. Some little water's coming out. We might have to put a little glue around it. And then that way no water will come out. And that's how you make a snow globe. Thank you so much for making snow globes with us, guys. Have fun.
Have fun. Bye-bye.
Woo, shake, shake, shake.
Whoa, you
shake,
can't
shake,
see
shake,
him.
shake,
You
shake.
can't see him.
Woo. Whoa.
So dirty.
Whoa, show everybody our snow globes. Woo, come close, come close.